everyone, welcome to my kitchen where we recreate timeless recipes. Today what I'm recreating is not just a pickle, it's a sentiment. It's a staple in Indian households and we all have our own memories with aam ka achar. For me, it's summer vacations, sneaking into the kitchen in the afternoon and gobbling up freshly made mango pickle with my sister. And now, I'm going to recreate those timeless memories of our childhood using Samsung Masala and SunDry microwave. So, ready to take a trip down memory lane? Take about 200 grams of raw mango, wash it well and cut it into small pieces about this size. And now we'll put it in the microwave oven. Just select the auto cook option for the mango pickle recipe. Tap on Masala and SunDry button in the microwave oven panel and turn the multifunctional dial button to number 4 for selecting the pickle mode. Press enter and once again turn the dial button to select 4-5 and press start. The timer will automatically set to 1 minute. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients. We'll start by adding about half a teaspoon of fenugreek, another half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a little bit of coriander powder. The mustard seeds add a beautiful flavor to the pickle. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of chili powder, salt as per taste, and around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'm going to give all this a good mix, and you can always customize the ingredients according to your preference because we all have our own versions of mango pickle. And now in it goes again. The microwave will show cooking time of 2 minutes. All you need to do is press start. Thankfully now, the waiting time is not much. As a child, I'd get very impatient. God knows how much I've pestered my mom and grandmom to make aam ka achar faster. See, it's ready. Oh my God, I can't even. Let's just say I'm back to my summer vacations. Trust me, Samsung microwave is godsend for people like me who love their pickles just the way they tasted in our childhood. It's like storing a jar of nostalgia and tasting it whenever I want. That too in an instant. So if you too want to strike the perfect balance between time and taste, get home a Samsung Masala and SunDry microwave today.